Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. I would love to have you stick around and subscribe. I post every single week. I also post a lot over on my Instagram. It's just at Marissa Albert. I will pop that right here. Hang out with me over on stories where I post in real time. I'm on there every day. I'm so happy to be sharing this video today. I've been envisioning the playroom for a long time, basically since we bought this house. If you are new to my channel, my husband and I bought this house, gosh, how long has it been? 2017. Is that 5 years ago? Yes, it is. I can do math. I can do it. It was a total fixer-upper. We took everything down to the studs. We even did an addition. This door back here is an addition. We decided when we did this house to just paint everything white, and I knew that I wanted to go back in eventually and add some color into the house, and I'm so happy with how it's all turning out. So I will post the girls' bedroom makeover. I have two daughters, Lucy's 5, Stella's 3, and I redid their bedroom a little over a year ago, and I did a whole video on it. So I'm gonna leave the link to that video down in the description if you wanna check that out. Their room is adorable. It's still one of my favorite rooms in the house, but this has officially won out. But I'm gonna stop rambling now. I'm gonna hop into the clips that I took while I was working on this space. I think I got it done in just about 2 weeks, working on it after the girls were in bed or just whenever I had time. So my husband did help me with some things, which you will see. But yeah, it's been really fun. So I'm gonna show you everything along the way. And then at the end of this video, I'm gonna hop on and I'll walk you around and show you a little bit closer and give you some sources for things. So let's go. I woke up this morning so excited to finish this video, but I hadn't recorded the voiceover yet. And as you can tell, my voice is gone. I don't know what happened, but I'm not gonna make you listen to this the whole time. So these clips pretty much speak for themselves. I might pop in a little bit, but nobody wants to listen to this for the next 15 minutes. So enjoy. Silver coins in his hand, ready to make some damage. He wakes up, he gets drunk, and he hides at this day. He wakes up, he gets drunk, and I think I'm the same. All my heroes are dead, and I don't believe in God, who will save me from myself. My heroes are dead, and I don't believe in God, who will save me from myself. Saturday night at his place, far away from the crowds, with his hands in my denim, listening to punk getting high, far away. Okay, well, I was just standing on this stool and I stepped backwards right into the paint tray. My crock is covered in paint, and when I did that, I knocked the paintbrush out. There's just paint everywhere right now. I'm gonna pull it together, it's fine. He wakes up, he gets drunk, and I think I'm the same. All my heroes are dead, and I don't believe in God, who will save me from myself. My heroes are dead, and I don't believe in God, who will save me from myself. All my heroes are dead. All my heroes are dead. All my heroes are dead. I said all my heroes are dead, and I don't believe in God, who's gonna save me? These toy organizers that I'm getting ready to put together, these are from River Ridge Home, and I got the 35-inch kids catch-all in white. and I ended up getting 2 of them. That's just what would fit perfectly on the wall underneath the TV, and I'm so glad that I did get 2. They hold so many toys. I'm really excited about them. River Ridge did send me these, but I love them. I love how they look, and they were really easy to put together. Usually I pawn all of this kind of stuff off on Shane, but I put them together in about 25 minutes, so it wasn't bad at all, but they're exactly what I was looking for. Matters to me. My kids' Ikea kitchen is a train wreck. Yeah, it's falling apart. My friend did this for Lucy's first birthday. She DIY'd it, and it used to be really cute. But it's just gone downhill since then because the girls do really like to play with it, and it was just kind of destroyed. So for a while I thought about getting rid of it, but then I thought, nope, we're just gonna DIY it. So I updated it a little bit, gave it some new paint, sanded it down a bit, and yeah, you guys will see how it turned out soon, but I love it.
What do you want? What's your biggest need? Every hour we spend together, then suddenly the chances are small, just like the lottery. It's been 72 weeks in this town. I still believe I'll see you again. No matter what, I got off the ground for something that matters to me. But what do you want? What's your biggest need? Every hour we spend together, then suddenly the chances are small, just like the lottery. I just hope we could stay together. We wait and see, but the chances are small, just like the lottery. Without my love for the ocean, I would be long gone by now. It's some kind of devotion that brings me down. That without my love for the ocean.
Please ignore my hair. I've just been getting stuff done all morning on the home stretch. Okay, I don't know that I can ignore my hair. Not great. Anyway, we're officially on the home stretch of this room, and I'm really excited with how it's turning out. I'll be able to show you everything tomorrow. I need to put pictures in these picture frames. I just bought 2 of them. I kind of wish I got 3, but 2 will work. So I printed out pictures for those I have right here, and I'm really excited about them. I took these pictures of the girls last week on my iPhone. This one is just Stella's personality to a T, so I had to pick this one. This picture hanger assortment from Walmart today. This is what I need Shane's help with later. The mirror that I have for this room, it doesn't have any hanging stuff on it, and it's not sturdy enough to just lean against something. So I need him to help me figure this out so we can get it hung up. So I'm gonna work on what I can do alone right now, and then I'm gonna bring, ow, I'm gonna bring all the girls' toys back in. am so happy with how this room turned out. I love it so much. It all started with the paint color. This is the exact color that I was looking for. It's Hennepin Stone by Dutch Boy. I will leave the names and the links to whatever I can in the description, so look down there. It's the perfect mauve-y muted pink. I'm just gonna walk you around a little bit and give you a view. This butterfly light is from Target, and I just knew the girls would love it. It just has a little switch on there. And then last night when I was gone, Shane hung this, so I don't have any footage of it, but it's just this wood hanger that I thrifted. And these are capes. The girls love capes. Their favorite thing to play is dress up, so I thought that would be good there. I knew I wanted to mount a TV on this wall because I didn't want like a normal entertainment center. I got a great deal on this TV. It's 40 inches, I think. 40 or 42 inches, I can't remember, but it's a TCL. It's one of those Roku TVs. It had great reviews, and so far I really like it. I mean, we use Rokus on all of our TVs, so it's just what we know. This flag is from Secret Holiday Co., and then I just have some baskets up here for little toys, a ZZ plant, a little disco ball. I feel like these storage cabinets from River Ridge are the real star of the show though. 2 of them, I'll link the exact one that I have. But they just fit a lot of stuff. Like, as you can see, I don't even have them half full. River Ridge did send me these, so thank you very much, River Ridge, but I love them and I was planning on buying them anyway. So they look great over there. I took these pictures of the girls on my iPhone 13 and I edited them in the Tezza app, and they turned out so cute. I went to Home Goods yesterday to try to find one more of these picture frames. I'm kicking myself for not getting 3. I didn't think the wall was as wide as it is. It would look great, but they were all gone, and I just got them a few days ago, so that's kind of a bummer. But for now, the 2 pictures look great. They are so dang cute. Maybe someday I'll find 3 matching picture frames to put there, but for now, they look very cute. The Be a Nice Human pennant flag is from Cotton On. I think that's old. I don't think I can link that for you. These pillows are all from Home Goods. You can look there. I've seen these at a couple different Home Goods. This is like a beaded pillow. In love with it. I love these pillows. I wanted some pop of color, so that's why we went this lime green. And Stella picked out the mermaid sheets from Target, but they are really stinking cute. This mirror is thrifted, so I can't link it for you, but I had Shane hang it at like the girls' level so they can use it. Normally, if this is like a grown-up room, I would move it up higher, obviously, but I wanted the girls to be able to look at themselves. Here is the closet for this room. It was a bedroom. It was a very small bedroom, and we knocked down the wall. So we knew we wanted to make it a playroom, so we decided to put no doors on the closet just so little hands didn't get stuck. We did the girls' Ikea kitchen. I love how it turned out. It's so cute. I can't think of the name of this color off the top of my head, but I will, again, leave it down below. And I had Shane drill me a few holes for these stone knobs that I found at Home Goods. I thought they looked so cute on here, and I left them a little loose so the girls can actually like turn them. So I added a backsplash, a peel and stick backsplash. I spray painted everything again, and I even added a little light. It's so extra, I know, but it turned out adorable. I love it. And I added this little cube organizer that I originally had in my closet, and I decided to bring it up here. Clearly, there's not a lot of stuff on it yet. I have like their blocks and magnets. And then up here is just their Tony's box. So that is my big playroom makeover. I hope you guys enjoyed, and maybe I gave you a little inspiration, perhaps a little motivation to take on a project by yourself. I had so much fun putting this room together, collecting things for it. It's been dreamt up in my head for a long time. So I'm very happy that it's finally done 2 days before my daughter gets out of school for the summer, so they're gonna need a space to be, and I've kind of had the playroom out of commission for a little bit. But just as a reminder, if you don't have a fancy, aesthetically pleasing, organized playroom, that is totally, completely cool. Don't compare yourself to someone on the internet. This looked like a wreck for a very long time. So we're just now pulling it all together, but my 3-year-old is yelling at me, so I need to go see what she needs. Everything, every single source that I have will be linked down below. If you have any other questions or you need a link that I somehow missed, leave me a comment or shoot me a DM on Instagram, and I will figure that out for you. The most expensive part of this playroom was my World Market daybed. That's over $500, but I couldn't find a couch for up here for less than like $1,000. So my thinking was that it's cheaper than a couch and it acts as a guest bedroom. So if we have like cousins sleep over, we have a whole nother bed for someone. So if you look at it compared to a couch, it's actually a very affordable option and it's super cute. So that was the most expensive part. You guys enjoyed watching as much as I loved doing it. I am very happy that it's done though, because I've been neglecting everything else in my house because I've been wanting to get this done. So I need to go do laundry for the rest of the day. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already. I'd love to have you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.